after this bout.
Please prepare Alcantara Patrick Aka versus Antonio Sander Au. Alcantara, please raise your hand. Alcantara Patrick. Player, please raise your hand. Player. Tatami 4, stand by. Antonio Alexandro, please raise your hand. Antonio Sander.
Winner!
Stand by.
Gonzalez Luis, AKKR. That concludes our 10 to 11 years old Open Kata Girls. Now it's time for Kumite. Ten to 11 years old Ruby Kumite Boys. Celion Jazar Gabriel from JKS Philippines CV. Negala Ryan J. Please proceed to Tatami 3. Roble Kim Charles from Escrino, Valquedra Gabriel.
Next bout, Maria Isabella Aka, Vista Amir Veronica Au. Start.
Isagan Lisper from AAK Cebu. Navasquez John Marwen, AOK Shitoryu Cebu. Novalmi Christopher from Escrino.
Please prepare
Ricardo Johan Harris
Victor Jean Francis Aka, Lodonia Mary Ortiz Au. Please prepare after this bout.
Kuntaw Mandawe Cebu Team Kata, Junior and Senior Kata Male. Kuntaw Mandawe Cebu, please proceed to Tatami 2. JKS Philippines Central Visayas, Male Team Kata. AKKR Male Team Kata, Tatami 2 please. Junior and Senior Team Kata Male, AKKR, Tatami 2 please. JKS Central Visayas, Junior and Senior Advanced Team Kata Male, Tatami 2 please. Kuntaw Mandawe Cebu, Junior and Senior Kata Male Team, Tatami 2 please. Junior and Senior Advanced Team Kata Female, Tatami 2 please. Senior Advanced Team Kata Female, Tatami 2 please. JKS.
Celion Jazar.
16 and above, Intermediate Team Kata. ASK Cebu. ASK Cebu, 16 and above, Intermediate Team Kata.
Nagala. Nagala Ryan J. AAK Cebu. Raise your hand.
Please prepare Kabudbud Von Paulo Aka versus Villanueva Chris Au.
Roble Kim Charles, raise your hand. Red. Isagan Lister. Raise your hand. Isagan
Winner,
Lister.
Aka, Maria Isabella. Stay down.
Blue.
Next bout, Amikibel John Francis Aka, Lodonia Mary Dorothy Au.
Navalvin Christopher, Arbitrario Johan